Today I'm reviewing this crochet kit that I purchased from Dollarama, $4.50 plus taxes. Another disappointment. At a glance, this looks very cute, beginner friendly. The kit came with all the yarn, the needle, everything you need inside. I began filming the process, opening the kit and showing all the materials. But once I actually started crocheting, this became very confusing. The pattern is very confusing to follow. Before I explain everything that disappointed me, I'm going to show you a little sequence of the materials we get inside, and then we'll follow with what's happening with this crochet kit, with the pattern. Stay tuned. Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this crochet kit, this Capybara. I purchased this at Dollarama. It cost me $4.50 plus taxes. We have yarn, a crochet hook. It looks like it's a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. I don't crochet with these hooks. I have my own. Also, we get a yarn needle. I don't like to use plastic. I'm going to use my own. And we've got our safety eyes. And then this is the instructions. And the instruction does come in English, French, and Spanish. Also, what you're going to be needing, a pair of scissors. And I like to have my own stitch markers. In the kit, you also get fiberfill. Let me look at this a little bit more closely. I'm showing this to you because it does not make sense. Let's take a look. So we have row 1. It says to do 6 chains. Okay. I assume they mean for us to do an oval, so that's what I did. That's what I tried. We get 6 chains, 6 stitches. Next row, it says V, which is increase 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6, and here we have 14. Doesn't make sense. What's missing? Something's missing. And then I take a look at BE. If you go to the bottom, BE is right here, and this means crochet at both ends of chain, which does not make sense. I started to rewrite this and I decided that nope, I'm not going to rewrite it. I thought to myself, let's see if we can find a pattern that looks like this. I went on Etsy and I found something. This is what I found. It's the exact same thing, but reverse. Etsy, Dollarama. So who designed this first? Good question. And then what I did is I tried this and ta-da, I was able to make it. Now the only thing, I will show you a few things that happened. Why it's not done, why it's not complete. First things first, for the eyes, you needed a darker brown or a black. I did not have one in the kit. I looked at the back of this kit, and the only thing we have is this brown, which we use for the mouth. But we needed something darker, and we didn't get it. So I decided to use green to do the mouth and to do the eyes. When it comes to the turtle, see, turtle, no eyes, eyes. The eyes was way too big. I removed it. I kept them. I kept the eyes, but I decided to remove it. What I am going to do is I'm going to embroider the eyes on, but it's not there. I didn't do it. I just wanted to show you with the material we got in the kit what I was able to do. So this green color, I only had enough to do the straps. I did not even have enough to do the belly. So I did the belly white. But the problem is I ran out of yarn, white yarn, to do the back legs and to do the tail. Yeah. So not a good thing. I can't believe I had to pay $5.35 Canadian plus tax to get a crochet pattern of this capybara that I could actually follow and do. This is, you can't follow this. If you look at the head, like this pattern, the way it starts at the top of the head, and then you go in round, you do an oval, go round, around, and then it will tell you when to change color to start doing the mouth. But here, you don't get that. You don't get that at all. It gives you the color right here, but it doesn't tell you when to change it. All of a sudden, we're here, and this is BM. This is below the mouth. So this means I assume that you need to do your color change right here. But then again, what is this SH 8 single crochet plus 6 chain? Had no clue. I tried it. I definitely tried it. I actually started to rewrite the pattern, and no, like I said, no. I found it on Etsy. I used the material we had, and I couldn't complete it, but I will definitely like finish it off. I will do both of the back legs and the tail and embroider the eyes, and it will get, and it's cute. I mean, I really like it. And if you look on Etsy, I will give you the link of this Etsy, the Etsy page. This is by, oops, let me just show you here. This is by Craft Mint. And it's Chili Cara de Capybara crochet pattern. And I'm not going to show you the pattern because this is copyrighted. This does not belong to me. This does not belong to me. But I'm showing it to you because there is absolutely no way that somebody can do this capybara with this pattern. I'm sorry, you can't. I mean, I tried. I have not tried the ears. I have not tried anything else. I just tried this. When I saw it did not work, I got pissed. I'm sorry, but I got pissed. And I put it aside. And I tried the bear. The bear was fine. You can do the bear. I do have the review for the bear. The bear does work. I explained how to read the pattern of the bear. I did not quite finish the bear, but it's doable. I just didn't want to finish it off. Then I tried the sheep. Oh my, same thing. It's not doable with this. I did find a website where the exact sheep, well, very, 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 very similar pattern, and you can try that. But no, and I'm very, very, very disappointed. This is by Castlecraft. I'm very disappointed. I don't know what's going on with these kits. I mean, people buy these. They're $4.50, and they can't do it. I can't do it. I needed to pay extra and get a pattern. So there you are. This is my experience with this crochet kit. Have you tried this? Were you able to crochet this capybara? Let me know. Let me know what you think in the comments section. We will try another crochet kit. I still have 3 to look at. And yeah, so if you like, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.